Quick. Moving fast or doing something in a short time. Adjective. Number one. Lasting or taking a short time. Hasty, hurried, cursory, perfunctory. Dito pala. Perfunctory. Superficial, desultory, incidental, summary, glancing, short-lived, flying, momentary, temporary. Number two, happening with little or no delay, prompt. Sudden, instantaneous, immediate, instant, abrupt, sharp, precipitate, breakneck, headlong. Of a person, prompt to understand, think, or learn, intelligent. Number one, of a person's eye or ear, keenly perceptive, alert. Intelligent, bright, clever, gifted, able, brilliant, astute, astute. Quick-witted, sharp-witted, ready, quick off the mark, OFF. Observant, alert, sharp, wide awake. Perceptive, brainy, smart, on the ball, on one's toes, quick on the uptake, genius, whip smart,